Okay guys, so for you Windows guys, this is how I set up my software tools using something called Chocolatey, which is kind of like apt-get if you're a Linux guy. Let's go and open up Terminal. Chocolatey is super cool because you can install a bunch of things as long as it's in the packages list. So we're gonna install this. We're gonna get a message that it's already installed. But for you guys, it should show up differently since it's installed for me. And we're going to go to chocolatey.org/install for that. First thing we're going to install is Visual Studio Code. And let's install 1.8. Let's just copy this, right click the terminal. Okay, that didn't copy. That's fine. Let's do choco install vs code and then -y so we don't have to confirm that we actually want to install it. And it's already installed for me. So just confirm all this. I already have it installed, so I don't need to. Once that's installed, go ahead and go to the extensions list. And you're going to need a few of the following things. Since we're Azure guys, we're going to need an Azure account. We're going to need Git. And I like Bicep. That's what we're using, so just install that. And that's it.